Now, I've flown pretty much every drone under the sun, from your minis, to your Mavics, to your Autels, all the way up to your DJI M300s. Big drones, little drones, I've flown them all, but I've never flown the Inspire 2. I think I've always been a bit apprehensive. It's a quick, scary drone. It's mainly designed for filming, so there's no reason why I shouldn't want to fly it. So today's a big day, I'm not gonna lie, I've already had a practice up in Fife at our training facility, but today's the first day where I'm gonna go out and try and get the best shots possible. Not too much to say, obviously with the Inspire 2, with the X5S. I'll talk through the specs and features as I show you some of the shots, so without further ado, let's get it in the air and let's show off what this thing can do. So some obvious bonuses with the Inspire 2 is it's a bigger drone, so it's easier for keeping visual line of sight, of course. It's a bit more of a learning curve compared to your more basic drones. There's a lot of settings, a lot of ways to tweak the gimbal, the movement. It's mainly designed to be dual operated, so I'm sort of pushing it a wee bit here, but normally you'd have someone flying the drone and someone else taking care of the camera. That's why you see the legs raised, so that nothing's going to be in the way and the camera can turn a full 360.
So in these shots here, I'm just using the active track and flying at the same time while I'm focusing on the lighthouse. As you can see, there are times when the drone will get in shot, but you can quickly amend that. So the flight time of the Inspire 2 will be 23 to 27 minutes depending on your payload.
It's the ultimate bit of drone machinery for flying and filming and getting the best shots possible. Obviously I'm single operating this at the moment, so I'm still learning it. There's so many little tweaks. It's not like any drone I've flown before, but I'm enjoying every second of it. The speed is incredible. I think it can go around 50, 60 miles per hour. People always claim different speeds when they have the wind behind them, but I'm just sort of keeping it around the 50 mile per hour mark.
So the payload of the Zenmuse X5S is a micro 4/3 sensor. It can shoot up to 5.2K at 30 FPS and 4K at 60 FPS. It does 12-bit RAW, and I'll be filming in D-Log for future videos, so keep an eye out for that. But all the footage right now is just some ungraded, normal coloured, out the camera footage.
So that was the Inspire 2. Let us know in the comments if you've been inspired. I plan to take this drone up to the Skyfall roads from James Bond and try and film some car shots there, and again test myself, try and develop my knowledge and skill with the drone. Let us know if you have any questions or anything you'd like to see with the Inspire 2 while we have it in, and remember to like and subscribe, always helps, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bang.